Hey everyone, welcome back to another live stream of Writing Go. What was that answer? Um, hello, hey everyone, welcome back. That was an horrible intro. Yo, Transistor, welcome back to this little grinding session. It's actually not little. It's just it's so catastrophically big, but whatever. The live stream to rule them all. Absolutely. It's great. It's good to be consistent for what at this point 4 days, 5. I don't know. Just live streaming every day, even though everything is fucked up and life sucks or whatever. We're just live streaming, dude. Everything's live. I feel so alive. That bars right there. Anyways, I don't know why I'm sweating right now. I'm sweating, but I'm also feeling cold. I'm having cold sweats because of this live stream. Anyways, Mauritius had a good effect on you. Yeah, best country ever. After Poland, of course. I want to be back at that country, that island. I should call it island. I want to be there next year again. Best place on earth, man, just telling you. Very far away from bullshit, but also it's not that far. It's close to many things, but anyways. They had us in the first half, not gonna lie. Yeah. Alright, so today I want to work on my little ratatouille widget. I don't know if you have seen it. I posted this live stream on my socials and I was expecting more people, but that's fine. We only have the OGs. So I'm gonna show you guys what's the latest progress. I don't know why this is just building everything from scratch each time. I mean, I have built this before. It just starts from like the half point of the build. For some reason, it should build just the binary for some reason, but like, I don't know. Rust sucks. It happens. So I need to pull up the tone generator. Somebody should just make a tweet for this, man. I so badly want this as a tweet, but yeah, I don't have time. It should be like very straightforward and fun to build. If anyone wants to build a tweet, please build this in the terminal. Today I dusted off my e-ink tablet to grind some more ebooks. Yeah, I saw your message on Discord. I haven't checked, but that's cool, man. That's cool. You should probably you know what I'm gonna say, right? You should probably try running a certain thing on it. You got me. So this is what I've built yesterday, and I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty cool. Shows you the notes and the fretboard and everything, but this has some problems. I will tell you them in a second. How come cargo is compiling that fast on your system? It takes ages on mine. I don't know. I have a global cache. Maybe that's why. I'm just building. I have a cache for everything that I'm building on my system. So it's all connected to a single target folder. I'm gonna show you its size now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see the size of my target folder. Takes ages to run the command. It's a remarkable, so I'm afraid trying to force my way into the system would break it hard. Damn. You should do it either way. You should do it either way, just for the sake of trying. So my target folder is almost 400 gigabytes. So all of the assets or artifacts are in this folder, so that's why maybe. I don't know why it's fast. And I don't think it's fast, it's just slow, but anyways. Mods, I mean, yeah, okay. Ferris, welcome. My second top fan, Ferris, good to see you here again. So let me just pull up this power control thing again. So I'm gonna play this on my wait, what? Give me a second. Output devices, speakers. All right, there you go. So yeah, this is what we're working with basically. So there are a couple of problems with this. First of all, no colors. That's a big problem. Pulls out the ban hammer. Dude, I'm gonna just promote Ferris to a moderator if you don't join the next 2 live streams, okay? Just saying. So Ferris is just like one of my top fans, so you know what I'm saying. Anyways, that was not a threat, by the way. I love you, Transistor. Just be around, okay? We need moderators in this live stream. So many things happening at the same time. No. Anyways, so one of the problems that I'm having here is that there are like no colors. Second thing, I have run this on embedded. The same widget, and it looks like shit, dude. Like, look. It's so small. Chief moderator, officer promotion. Okay, real and true. Look, it looks bad because I don't know. It's just small, you know. I don't like small things. That's what she's. It's bad because it's a hard-coded size. It has a hard-coded size of like 12 frets. Not 12 frets, like 12. 0 to 6. This shows 6 frets. And like, yeah, I need to make this better somehow. Or maybe center it, but still, if it was bigger, it would be easier to see, because imagine you're gonna put this thing on your guitar and you won't be able to see it from far. It's not realistic. So don't say clippable things so early on. Okay, sorry. I stopped publishing shorts on YouTube. I need to get back on the grind, but I'm too lazy and I don't have time. But good for yeah, it's good that you reminded me that. So yeah, that's the problem. So I guess I need to make it look better somehow. I don't know. I'm saying somehow so many times. Give me a second. I'm gonna just pull up my ChatGPT chat. Where is it? Alright, this should be it. Okay, so the code has not been pushed to anywhere yet. I should probably clean this up a little bit. I'm not sure if I need a note enum, to be honest. I'm not sure if the pitchy crate provides something that I can use for this purpose. Does this implement add? No. It's kind of bad because I need an add implementation. I'm adding notes to each other, you know? So yeah, maybe I can just start using that, or I don't know, man. It's not that difficult to write your own type anyways, but why write your own type? By the way, I just realized this can't be simplified like this. I'm just gonna do that now. Sometimes Copilot is not that great when it comes to doing things like this. Probably doesn't know that you can inline these variables in the format. Somebody's just pulling their hair out because I'm not doing this job in in an efficient way using efficient key bindings in Vim or something, but whatever. I think I'm pretty fast, so I don't care. Alright. Default case, what is that? Maybe I should. I wanna see the size. Like, how big is this screen? How big is this? You know, I wanna see that. How can I do that actually? I need to print it somewhere. Just realized my video is lagging for some reason. Okay. So I'm gonna flash something real quick and just print out the available columns or something. Should I just print out terminal size? Terminal size. Does that work? Guys, let me just flash this real quick. I want to see my available area for working on this. Probably not gonna work. I need to export this. This returns size. So what does this widget for Ratatouille does? It basically shows you the guitar tabs. I'm gonna show you in a second. What is size? Columns and rows, okay. That's good enough. It's gonna take forever to flash this. So this has some customization options, such as fret size. Where's the main type, dude? Fretboard, frets. Yeah, you can customize this to have like a longer fretboard. The highlight style does not do anything for now, but I will fix that later. Are you flashing this over the Atlantic Ocean, or why does it take so long? Dude, just, I don't know, it's very annoying. It's because of ESP, whatever. It's just slow. The explanation for that is just, it's just slow, that's why. But maybe I'm flashing this over the Atlantic Ocean because it just feels like that, you know? Look. Start counting now. Let's see how many seconds it's gonna take. Maybe I should have just used the time command instead. Why am I acting like a caveman over here? It's just crazy. USB cable is 500 kilometers long. Dude, I literally have an extension cable for my USB cable. It's, you know what? I have a short USB cable on purpose. It's very short. It's on purpose because I was like, okay, maybe if I make this shorter, maybe it will take less time. Fucking brain, dude. Fucking brain. Use that shit. Okay, let's see. Terminal size 40 and 13. Okay, 40 is height. No, 40 is width and 13 is height. Okay, so what is the current size that I'm using? Samsung Galaxy Brain. Dude, the ringtone just played in my head. Don't do that to me. I wish the mods were able to play sound effects in the live stream. That would be great. You'd probably sabotage all my work, but I'd love to have that. So 51 and 7. How is this like 51 characters? I'm confused, dude. So terminal size is like 4013. What the fuck? Maybe I'm confusing things here. So yeah, I'm probably just confusing area. Okay, frame area. Let's log that too. Now we're gonna wait for additional 10 minutes. Playing sound bites is just one step away from playing fart sounds for Twitch bits. Dude, maybe I should just switch to Twitch at this point. Let's have a poll here. Start poll. Twitch. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Started the poll. Yeah, I hate Twitch too. But I'm just curious. 3 votes, okay. Everyone's saying no. Okay, cool. And no Twitch, guys. Fuck Twitch. We're just here. Just vibing. Alright, so area is 40 and 13. Terminal size 40. Dude, how? Okay, so here's the thing. Wait, 40 and 13. I think I know what's going on. So 40 and 13, right? Fretboard with frets, no, with frets 0 to 6. Is bubble tea more advanced nowadays? I'm seeing more projects using this and they look very fancy. There's I mean, it's different architectures. You should probably have a document just comparing everything. Yeah, they look very fancy though. I'm voting no because I prefer the simplicity. Okay guys, the voting is over. I'm just ending the poll. No Twitch. Thank you for voting. Appreciate that. So let me just run the test. Yeah, this is how it looks like on the ESP. So let's F4 maybe. Where's F4 actually? I don't know. F4 is there. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So bubble tea and ratatouille has their own advantages. I didn't get into it now in detail, but I can talk about this later maybe. So this looks bad. Let's get some opinions. I have what's the stream soundtrack today? It's the same soundtrack for the past 3 days actually. It's called the best tech and music. and it's been released 4 days ago. It's a really good mix. I'm gonna just send it to you here. It's great, man. I'm loving this mix and just constantly playing it. So good. Especially some parts are just gas, dude, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, so do you have the license to advertise? I think this has CC license or what? You should ask them, do you have the license to mix? Because, you know, like they are mixing this, this is a bigger crime. It's a bigger crime. They're literally just taking songs and putting them together. Like, what the hell, dude? Just put this guy in a court already. Put him in a jail, actually. No court. Just straight up jail. So I have a ESP32T display, and it looks kind of bad on there because of the empty spaces. Do you have any idea? The available area is 4013. Any idea to make it look better? Not specifically for the display, but maybe there might be some config options to tweak the UI a bit. Alright, let's see. Use 2 character frets instead of 3. Drop the right border. Inline fret numbers. Condense the font. Okay, so give me how that would look like on this. That's not good still. You should try voice input in ChatGPT. Yeah, I should probably do that. You're right. String lane left border frets, total width. No, I don't like this. Okay, let me just try voice input. I mean, there's still hella space on right and left, or no. The worst fucking voice message. Okay. Alright, there you go. Not sure if I like this. Give me the expected test output. Something like this. This is still bad, dude. What the... I mean, there isn't much that I can do, I guess, because... you know. I should add a logic where it just like expands based on the available width. I think that would look better. As for the The strings, I don't think I can do anything because it's just like 6 strings. What am I gonna do? I can add a space, but that would just make things worse, I think. So thread labels. So it's gonna... Why am I using this shitty camera, dude? Nobody's warning me. I need to switch to my high quality one. Okay. This was what I was talking about. This USB cable is too short because I was like, okay, if I use a short cable, it's gonna be faster to flash, but it doesn't really change anything. All right, so thread width. One, two, three, 4. It's gonna be really bad. It's gonna be really bad. Let's run it. Oh wow. Faster to flash, the signals travel at the speed of light. Okay, so this was this didn't work. So normally I have 1, 2, 3 characters, right? 3 characters. So when I have 51, I have here 12, 3. How am I gonna calculate this, bro? For 51 width. We go ultra realistic on the stream. We go ultra grind on the stream. For 51, what do we have? Just 3, right? Is this 3 characters? I'm blind. 1, 2, 3, and this is like connector. So the 51 width and 12 frets. The fret width is 3. All right. Based on that, just give me something. Is that correct? I don't know. Let's see. One of them passed. Okay, that's cool. Crazy music. Why can't I just fit another one here, dude? Doesn't that work? One. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. Do I have 6 characters? 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can barely fit 6 characters here, so 1, 2. I mean, this should be possible. Is it gonna listen to you playing the guitar or show it in the terminal? Yeah. Or in this display. Both of them. I tried this today actually, working quite well with the high pitch notes. Can be improved. The reading part can be improved, as always, but works quite well, I would say. Recommend doing snapshot tests here to avoid melee. Dude, yes, but I need to first get this thing working, so I cannot just jump right into testing everything properly because it doesn't work. So let's see. Okay, there you go. So what's the width now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 4, 40 width and 6 width is, it's gonna be 5. I don't think there's a way to get this thing mathematically. Maybe it's gonna be 6, I don't know. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brute force. Alright, I'm just gonna give this to ChatGPT. I wish I made a backup. Okay. Let me run the test again to see if it's working for the first case. Yeah, it is. Okay. Also, going to change this a little bit to make it look better, kinda. Yeah, something like this. Okay, just give everything to ChatGPT. The second case is failing. Help me implement the vid logic. Cool. That looks clean. That looks clean. I trust this code. It's all been wipe coded anyways. Oh no. Oh no. Make it a U size. Maybe if I make this thing U size, everything would be easier. Yep. Okay, let's run it and see it fail. It's not bad actually. I think it fucked up the initial spacing thing. Or maybe no. What's the problem here? This looks the same to me. Does anybody can see what's going on here? I don't know, man. For this one, kind of fucked up the last place. On second, the last vertical line. Oh, okay. I want the trailing one. Man, this is so annoying. What? Nope, this wipe coding shit was a mistake. It was a mistake. I'm going to start reading this and just implementing it myself, otherwise it's going to be impossible to do. Not impossible, but you get what I mean. Actually, maybe it makes sense to use proper lines and spans first, because if I try to do that later, it's going to be more painful. So instead of set string, I think how is this gonna work? I'm just thinking set string. So right now, what is failing? Second one is failing, that's fine. Just ignore that for now. So buffer set string area, okay, label line. Is this in a loop? Nope. So what is label line, dude? Just panic. Okay, so label line is set there. Okay, I see what's going on. This should be not sure if this should be a line or a string. Fret number. Fret number style. Or I can just use style here. Okay. For the, okay, let me actually create some functions. Or maybe not. So for the symbol stuff, that's like that's gonna be a bit painful, I think. Base note. Hello, back after long. Hello, Sora Misha. Welcome back. How are you doing? It's good to see you here. So this is like the start of the line or end of the line? This is end. Label. Note name style, let's do that. I'm just gonna change this to self default, man. Note name style. So this is gonna be ratatui. It's gonna be a vector of spans, right? So I'm gonna call this spans. This label thing. Actually, it's gonna be style, note name style. Oh, into. I need to call into on this. Or just span from. Okay, that worked. And what is label, dude? Just call it name. Can I do this maybe? Okay. And then we will iterate through fret labels. Note. Symbol. So active. Active note style. Let me add some sane defaults, man. These are not the same. But whatever. Also active note symbol. Okay. But this is gonna be it's gonna be a span, right? So extend. Dude, what? Okay. Can I collect this? String is not iterator. Oh, it's giving me a string, that's why. It's gonna be it's a bit ugly, but maybe I can do this. Yeah, it's very ugly, but fine. Or maybe I can do something like this. Just create a line and just get spans from that. Can I do that though? Okay. There you go, that's better. Why is it giving me the wrong suggestions, man? What the hell? Wait, what is symbol? No, I need to extend it. No, I need to push that and then extend it. Okay. There you go. What's the last parameter? Okay. So now we have proper types for everything. Looks kind of bad, but okay, let me just run this now. The style is failing. Can I reset the style? Yeah, I need helper functions. Oh, it's just lines, that's why. Oh man. Okay, I need to get some inspiration from Twee widgets, I think. Or maybe some other widget. What was it? Twee cards. How can I reset the styling, bro? No, it says style. Okay. Dude, what? It's supposed to set the style on every cell. I'm confused. You're setting the style on the expected one. Should probably do snapshots. This thing is getting difficult to handle, man. Dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. It's very annoying. Alright, let me just set everything to default. Maybe then... Why is it like green? What the hell? Note name style. Oh. Note name style. It's still green, dude. Note name style. Am I not using this? Everything is default, but I'm not getting default. What the hell? Okay, what? One passed. Okay, what happened? Okay, now it's working. I have no idea what happened, but it's working now. What the hell? Is it working because of the default styles or what just happened? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, I guess cool. Okay, now coming back to the other one. I don't know why there's like a double thing here. Okay, there were some changes related to styling. Using string was not optimal. So help me do the same thing. Second case still failing. Want it to pass. Okay, let's see what it's gonna give to me. Why are you wearing headphones this way? What way, dude? What do you mean? Put number. Okay. Alright, let's see what will happen. Actually, I'm gonna just add my changes, because I want to like take it back if I fuck something up. Trailing border. Okay, it's probably not gonna work, but let's give it a try. It fucked up the nope. Nope. I should just code this thing myself, dude. Wait, I guess doing this would work. Or no? Probably not. We live to love Rust, only to let AI write it. Yeah. It's kinda sad. Okay, let me just write this myself. So available bit is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 4 is okay. Let's try this symbol thing. Why is this? Dude, why is this like using string? Evening, good evening, Nicola. Welcome. I guess we just need to repeat it like that. Let me just run it now and see what happens. Oh, the first one is passing, that's cool. I'm not sure if it's gonna work like this, but let's see. Okay. I guess we're getting somewhere already. Just need to fix the labels. So for the labels, what is it doing? Just instead of tree. Okay, you can just copy this, I guess. The first test is still passing or what? Yeah. I don't get this, man. So what should be the padding here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. What about now? Oh, it all worked? BaM. Okay. Guys, it all worked now for some reason. I mean, look, I didn't wipe code it and it works. Okay. Give me more parameterized tests using RS test. Merge these tests into one. Okay, let's try this, dude. Oh, this is gonna be a dev dependency. Okay, let's run the tests. I like how this turned out, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna flash this and see how it looks like on the embedded display. All right. Let's maybe see how it looks like on terminal first. Oh my god. Okay, it's broken. It's hella broken. Why did that happen? I mean, when I add the symbol, I think just shifts. I need to limit the area, I think. Wait, maybe now it will be better. Test. Yeah, it's better now. Cool. And also, you see the colors, so that's nice. I think I'm gonna use red or maybe blue for, yeah, yellow is not great. Maybe let's use yellow. No, blue. Test. Still not very visible. Maybe white. Test. Oh, it's just worse now. I'm just gonna use red, dude. Test. Yeah, I mean, red is kinda better, but maybe green, blue. Test. Nope. Black. Dude, how am I gonna see black? Test. Yeah, I mean, let's go with red. Let's go with red. Alright, let's flash this. So I have 13 lines available and I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I want to push this 5 lines like to the bottom, you know. Frame area, maybe inner. No, not the margin. Offset. So five lines. Okay. How are you doing, Nicola? I checked your little, not a little, huge project. Code editor. It looks pretty interesting. I might have some questions. In case anyone's wondering, Nicola is writing VS Code like editor using Tauri and Rust. It's a crazy project. Takes 4 hours to flash. I think it was called the land editor, right? Insane, I'm good resting this week. Cool. Okay, looks kinda... Kinda better. I pushed this a bit too much though. I think 3 would be enough. Let me play something. Quarter to land. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. It's better, at least it's now using the whole width of the screen. So it's good. I need to probably wait. For thumbnail purposes, you know? For thumbnail purposes. Can you please detect this? For some reason it doesn't work when I use this USB thing. 1 second, I'll just change this to another adapter. Yeah, it works. I'm playing A4 right now and it shows A4 and you see a little dot on the fretboard. It's slow because now I'm using debug mode. But yeah, it works. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this. It's pretty nice. Okay, let me polish the widget crate. And just switch to the other cam. Give me more use cases with different, no, not use cases, give me more test cases with different parameters. Single string open node. Single string is funny. Let's see if it's gonna work. Nope. I mean, almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it not working, dude? What happens if I make this thing 2? Fails the other ones. I really don't get it. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 spaces. I mean, it should work just fine. Is it because it's using like, okay, let me make this 21. It doesn't really matter because we have 3 frets. It's kind of weird. So 16. The available width is 20, right? No, it's 16. So 16 gonna divide it by 3, 5. So thread width is 5. So these are all correct. So thread width is 5, so it's gonna be 6. I don't get it, man. What the hell? It should work. No, it kind of worked. Wait, I'm curious about something. Is it because of this division? Yeah. Exactly. It's exactly because of that. This division thing messes up everything. Give me a better solution. For the project with the size of VS Code, I really think about funding. It's very hard to do with open source. Not sure how Zed does that. Nicola, I think, has some funding from some fund thing. That was a horrible way to explain it, but yeah. Okay, let's see now. At least this looks aligned now. Does that work? He supported this endeavor and trusted us with this project. The project is funded by you goodness. What do you mean us? Who are you? Isn't that only you, or do you have some other people working on this? I'm the only developer currently. Okay. We're a partner, that's why I say us plus the community project. I mean, anyone can join. Do you have any contributors so far? Oh man, some of these cases do not work. Just me, okay. Probably need to add more test cases to this, but I'll do that later. I don't know, error type. Do I want an error type? Okay, maybe I should have an error type. Define me a simple error type for this. I don't want to use this. No, this is too much. Valid letter. Or maybe something like this. Yeah, I mean, it's fine, I guess. Error. Error type. You can probably do like from U8. Maybe not. I should probably return an error actually. Where do I use this? No, this is gonna be an error. Oh, it's in. What happened to the music? Oh man, what the hell is going on? Okay, just bunch of OKs. Can I just clone it? No. Maybe this. Just clone it, man. I don't really care. Okay. Why do we define the fretboard state first? That doesn't really matter. Is the island funding enough to work on land full time? That's a good question. No, I wouldn't say it's enough, but it's very supportive effort. What is your motivation, Nicola? Just curious. I'm crazy and I want a fast VS Code. Okay. Is it fast yet? Let me just copy the example tests. That's okay. There's a complete rewrite plan for this year, which is a rewrite of original code now or supportive efforts. Okay, that's cool. I need to give it a try. Cargo, Rust crates, IO categories. I will publish this crate, that's why. I don't know. Keywords, categories, license. I don't have a license yet. I need a nice readme. Also, I don't have a license. Okay, let me copy some license from another project. Okay, copy the license. Enough with this music. Let me just copy my own code. Okay. A4. Okay, that's that. For the license, I'm just gonna copy something from this README. Okay, that should be enough. Just creating a PR. Just waiting for the CI, and then I will merge it and then add this to awesome ratatui repo, and then we're done. I'm so tired now. If you cannot tell already. I think it's gonna work, but let's see. Oh shit. What now? I committed the... Oh my god. My bad. I think I can just publish this crate. Okay. Oh my god. Just pull it. Just pull it. Just fucking main, dude. Okay. Widgets. Oh my god, dude. What is this PR description? Okay. It should be all good now. I don't know why it's taking forever. Dude, I'm gonna fall asleep. Just be quick. Okay, it just passed. Merge. I think this is now done. Okay. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I gotta go now. It's been such a grind session. I'm about to pass out now, so thanks everybody. Nicola, if you're still here, thanks for tuning in. Vitaly, I don't know who else. Transistor, guys, love you. See you in I don't know when, but probably tomorrow or Sunday. But let's see. Take care. Bye.